Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Bantu on my freshly washed natural hair. For this style, I'm only going to need one product, and I'm using the Texture ID Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. I've used this product a lot of times for Bantu knot-outs on my blow-dried hair, and the results turned out really good, so I decided to try it on my wet hair. All I'm doing is sectioning off my hair with elastics and applying the foam to each section. Then I'm two-strand twisting the section and then putting it into a Bantu knot. And I love this product for Bantu knot-outs because it's really lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. It also has great hold and makes my hair really shiny and moisturized. And this product also surprisingly has great slip and helps me to detangle my hair. And I'm finger detangling my hair as I work the product in, because if my hair is not detangled and smoothed out, the curls will turn out a lot less defined in the end. And when I Bantu knot my hair, I do a two-strand twist and then wrap my hair into a twist, and then twirl my finger, twisting my hair more as I create the Bantu knot. And you want the hair to stack like a cylinder. Another method is to just single strand twist by wrapping the hair clockwise until it's all twisted up. But I like doing the two-strand twist method because especially if your hair is wet and not blown out, it will give you more definition with the curls. And you want to make sure that your hair isn't too tight, because if you don't loosen the Bantu knot at the end, you might cause your hair to break off. And when I'm halfway down the twist, I add more product to make sure that the product is evenly spread throughout the section, all the way to the ends. And this will help the curl be extra defined. I also add even more product to the very end of my hair, so that the end of the twist won't be frizzy. And I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on me, yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me, I'm talking late night for ya, let me lay a great time on ya, don't hesitate, no, don't you, just say you will, come through and chill, just say you will, come through and chill. I wake from my slumber, I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Boy, you got my number, wish I could feel your touch, wish you could follow on me. You never know when to chill, always talk about keep it real, only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will, really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens when two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion, nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, And if you do the technique properly to prevent breakage at the ends, by making sure your hair is detangled and also being very careful when you take down the Bantu knots can actually be a good way to grow your hair. Because I've noticed that if I keep doing wash and goes and I keep leaving my hair in buns or high puffs, then my hair can get really tangled over time of keeping the wash and go in my hair. But if I do styles like twist outs or braid outs or Bantu knot outs, I keep my hair detangled and in a stretched state, which in the end will help me with length retention, and I'll see my hair grow more over time.
Orbiting around and then circle back around to you, coming back around to you. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I needed this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like on we'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like on we'll take you.
And now that I'm done with all the sections, I'm putting on a satin scarf to sleep with the Bantu knots in my hair overnight. And this will keep my hair shiny and moisturized and have a lot less frizz.
I'm coming back around
even on your worst day. Love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you?
Now it's the next morning and it's time to take down the Bantu knots and the twists. And the most important part of taking your hair down is to twirl the section in the opposite direction of how you did the twist and the Bantu knot before you unravel it. And this will help prevent the ends of your hair from getting tangled and knotted on themselves when you're trying to take your hair down. And it's also important to never unravel your hair from the middle and always start at the ends to prevent breakage and also to stop yourself from messing up the curls.
Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always feel
with you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I needed this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like on we'll take you there, I'll take you.
And this was what my hair looked like the next night on day 2. And I love how defined the curls looked on day 1, but I also love on day 2 when my hair has more volume. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.